What's up, guys? Today I will be exploring the caves. Just kidding. Today we have a new update and I'm gonna go see what it is. And yes, I am still banned for putting the N-word. My friends betrayed me. I'm sorry. Girl Tag, if you're watching, if you're watching this, I'm really sorry. It means, yeah. What is a shoe? I'm confused. How much money is this? Oh my god. Why do I have to get banned? I need to make a new account, guys. Bro, I think I have to make a new account, guys. God, I don't want to though. This account has so much shiny rocks. Oh, guess we have to. This is. I need to. Let's see. I need to wear. Okay, maybe I do need to, switch accounts, so I'm gonna make a video about that. And I just want to see what they look like. How much hours do I even have left? Let me go see that.